Once again, hearty welcome to my dear students. Today we are going to see the key of APMF online exam conducted on 19/5/2020 in the chapter of polynomials. This exam is prepared by Srimati T. Tulasi Madam from Chittoor district. Let us start the key. The first question is P of t equals to t cube minus 1. Then the value of P of 1 minus of P of minus 1, that equals to, let us find P of 1 equals to 1 cube minus 1, that equals to 1 minus 1 0. Next P of minus 1, that equals to minus 1 cube minus 1, that equals to minus 1 minus 1, that equals to minus 2. And we have to find P of 1 minus of P of minus 1. So 0 minus of minus 2, that equals to 0 plus 2. So answer is 2. The number of zeros of polynomial given in the graph is, the graph is intersecting x-axis at 1 point, 2 points, 3 points and 4 points. So number of zeros of given graph is 4. So it has 4 zeros. Next problem. If alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of x cube minus 4x square plus 10x minus 30, match the following. This is a polynomial. If we compare with the standard form of the cubic polynomial, then a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, c equals to 10 and d equals to minus 30. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of zeros equals to, we know the formula, minus b by a, that equals to minus of minus 4 by a, that equals to 1. So it is 4. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to 4. Next, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c by a, that means 10 by 1, that means 10. So it is 10. Next, product of zeros alpha beta gamma is equals to minus d by a, that equals to minus of minus 30 means 30 by a means 1, that equals to 30. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. The LCM of denominators is alpha, beta, gamma. So if we cancel alpha, here beta, gamma plus here alpha, gamma plus alpha, beta. So it is nothing but alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma alpha, that is 10 by alpha, beta, gamma is 30. So we will get the answer 1 by 3. This one. Next problem. Sum of zeros of 6x square minus 1. If we compare with the ax square plus bx plus c, a equals to 6 and there is no x coefficient, so b is equals to 0 and c is equals to minus 1. And sum of zeros equals to, we know the formula, minus b by a, that means minus 0 by 6, that means 0 by 6, that equals to 0. The sum of zeros of 6x square minus 1 is 0. Next problem. The remainder when x power 2020 plus 1 is divisible by x plus 1. So let p of x is equals to x power 2020 plus 1. If we divide the p of x by x plus 1, then the remainder is equals to p of minus 1. So minus 1 whole to the power of 2020 plus 1, that equals to 1 plus 1. So answer is 2. The quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are the values of log 10,000 base 10, log 8 base 2. So log 10,000 base 10 is sum of zeros equals to log 10 power 4 base 10, that equals to 4 into log 10 base 10, that means 1, so it is 4. Next, product is equals to log 8 base 2, that equals to log 2 cube base 2, that equals to 3 into log 2 base 2, that means 1, so product is 3. Now we want to find quadratic polynomial. We know the formula for quadratic polynomial: k into x square minus sum of zeros times of x plus product of zeros, where k belongs to real number, and k into x square minus sum is 4, so 4x plus product is 3, so plus 3, that equals to k into, if we take k as 1, then x square minus 4x plus 3 is the required quadratic polynomial. Here is another interesting problem. If the zeros of cubic polynomial x cube minus 8x square plus 17x minus 10 are the measurements of cuboid, then the volume of cuboid. We know the volume of cuboid equals to, volume is equals to LBH. So here LBH are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. So LBH, that means product of zeros. Product of zeros is, we know the formula, minus d by a. Here d is minus 10, so minus of minus 10, and by a equals to 1, so answer is 10. The degree of 1001 is, 1001 is a constant. So for any constant except 0, the degree is 0. Here P of u is equals to 7u power 6 plus 8u power 5 minus 3u power 4 plus 1, and then we have to match the following. Degree of P of u, the highest exponent for variable is 6, so degree is 6. The coefficient of u square, there is no u square term in the given polynomial, so coefficient is 0. Constant term, here is the constant term, that is 1, and coefficient of u power 4, the coefficient of u power 4 is minus 3, so answer is minus 3. If a polynomial p of x is divisible by x plus 3, then the remainder is, we know that if p of x is divisible by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a as per remainder theorem. So if p of x is divided by x plus 3, then the remainder is p of minus 3. Here is also another interesting problem. This is the table of order pairs of a quadratic polynomial which indicates a parabola. Here we have to find the quadratic polynomial. We can observe where the y values are zeros. So here is y value 0 and here is also 0. So we can say that minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So alpha equals to minus 1 and beta is equals to 4. Now we can find the quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial QP is equals to, already we know the formula, k into x square minus of alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta, where k belongs to R. Here k into x square minus alpha plus beta, that means minus 1 plus 4 is 3, so 3x plus alpha into beta minus 1 into 4, that equals to minus 4. If we take k as 1, then the answer is x square minus 3x minus 4 is the answer. Here are two statements. Statement A is the degree of a polynomial 2 root 2 x square minus x plus 2 is root 2. But it's not a degree. Degree of this polynomial is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. So it is a false statement. Next, let us see the statement B. P of x equals to x power minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial. Here x has negative exponent. So we know that if a variable has non-negative integer exponent, then it is only polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So statement B is also false. So both A and B are false. If one of the 0 of the x square plus 7x plus k is minus 2, then find the value of k. Let the given quadratic polynomial is p of x, and also minus 2 is the 0 of the p of x. So p of minus 2 equals to 0. That means minus 2 whole square plus 7 into minus 2 plus k will be 0. That equals to 4 minus 14 plus k equals to 0. So minus 10 plus k equals to 0. That means k equals to 10. So 10 is the correct answer for k. The graph of y is equals to ax plus b represents a. Y is equals to ax plus b is a linear polynomial. So linear polynomial always represents a straight line. A quadratic polynomial represents a parabola. So the answer is straight line. Here a Venn diagram is given and the elements of A intersection B are 2 and 4. Now we have to find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 and 4. Already we know that alpha equals to 2 and beta equals to 4. The formula for quadratic polynomial is equals to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So k into x square minus alpha plus beta means 2 plus 4, that equals to 6x plus alpha beta 4 into 2, that means 8. So if k is equals to 1, so the answer is x square minus 6x plus 8.